Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to repair quick access in Windows 11. Chapter 1. Repair quick access Windows once from File Explorer. To get started, open File Explorer, click More Information, and then click Options. There in the Open File Explorer section, select the Home option. You can apply the changes. Chapter 2. Repair quick access Windows once with pinning. To start, open File Explorer. Now go to the path where the item you want to be visible in quick access is. Now you are going to right-click on it and select the option Pin to quick access. You can see that it is now available there. Chapter 3. Repair quick access Windows once by activating Recent. To get started, open File Explorer, click More Information, and then click Options. In the displayed window, you will activate the Show Recently Used Files box. Apply the changes to access these files. Chapter 4. Repair quick access Windows 11 by clearing cache. To get started, open File Explorer, click More Information, and then click Options. There you will click on the Clear button, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Chapter 5. Repair quick access Windows 11 from console. To get started, open the Command Prompt console as an administrator from Start. Run the on-screen command to scan and restore the Windows image. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, run the sfc scannow command to scan the Windows file system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.